Hi, watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh. Before you, two chartered accountants of Ludhiana have been booked by the city police in the 175 crore remittance case, foreign remittance case. So, irregularities in the 175 crore foreign remittance case have been reported here in the city. And on the basis of the complaint lodged by Income Tax Department, Saraba Nagar Police, they have registered a case booking two chartered accountants of Ludhiana. So, a major financial investigation has come to light in Ludhiana, where the Income Tax Department has approached the police with a complaint against two chartered accountants alleging irregularities in the issuance of certificates used for foreign remittance. According to the documents related to the complaint, the department has alleged that foreign remittances amounting to approximately 175 crores were made between 2023 and 2026 through the entities under the scrutiny. The two chartered accountants named in the complaint are Rishabh Gupta and Lovepreet Singh. The Income Tax Department has alleged that the certificates, including Form 15CB, were issued to facilitate overseas remittance without proper verification of the accounts, records, and documents of the concerned companies. The complaint further alleges that in one case, the digital signature of Rishabh Gupta was allegedly used by Lovepreet Singh. The department is now seeking to establish how the certificates were prepared and whether the required due diligence was carried out before the remittances were processed. So during the investigation, the Income Tax Department also conducted a search at the address associated with one of the companies. According to the documents, the office was found closed. People in the surrounding area reportedly told officials that there had been no regular business activity at the premises for a considerable period. The alleged transactions between 2023 and 2026 are now at the center of the investigation, with the department seeking detailed scrutiny of the companies, their financial records, the certificates issued, and the overseas transfers. The complaint seeks police action under various provisions of the BNS and calls for a detailed investigation into the alleged irregularities. It is important to underline that these are the allegations contained in the complaint and have not been established by a court. The police investigation will determine whether any offence was committed and the respective roles, if any, of the persons named in the complaint. The case puts the spotlight on the verification and due diligence responsibilities involved in certifying large overseas financial transactions. So, with approximately 175 crores in foreign remittance under scrutiny, the next course of action will depend on the police investigation and the evidence gathered during the probe. So, City Police, they are probing the matter as FIR has been registered at Saraba Nagar Police Station on the basis of the complaint lodged by the Income Tax Department. So, we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Sovera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.